In this video, I am going to show you how to create this type of AI animated talking avatars in simple steps. And the tools we are using for these are also free. So let's get started. First, we need to generate an image. Go to CapCut image generation tool, link is in the description below. Now click on the reference image. This will help the tool to generate images similar to the reference image. I have created a drive folder in which there are many AI generated avatars that you can use as a reference image or also as an avatar for your channel. After selecting reference image, select the number of images to 4 and scale to 10. Now enter this prompt or you can use your own prompt. Here you can make changes according to you, like characters wearing hoodie, a jacket, a shirt or t-shirt, anything you want. Now click on generate. It will take some time to generate. And remember, results generated are always different, so you need to generate image multiple times to get the desired output. Now let's take this simple avatar. It doesn't matter which type of avatar you choose, the process is same for all. Click on download. Now you can see that quality of image is too low. Now let's upscale the image. For that, go to this site, link is in the description below. Click on upscale image, select the avatar, it will upscale image in just few seconds. Now let's repeat the process. Here you can see the result. Now we are on to the last step, animating the face of avatar. For that, go to agent.com, click on get started for free, log in with any of your social media account. I am fast forwarding this process. After completing all the basic account opening steps, you will redirect to the home page. Now click on the video avatar and upload the upscaled image. After uploading successful, click on the image and go to create with AI Studio. Here you can change the script for the video. It doesn't matter what you type because for our channel we are using any other AI voice or your own voice. We just want to animate the face. After selecting the script and AI voice, adjust your image according to the script and click on play button. Don't worry, animation is done after submitting the video. Now let's submit the video. After submitting your videos, you will redirect to this page. Click on the video, it will show the progress. Now sit back and relax. After some time, you will get the email after completing animation. Here is the result.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. My channel name is The Thinking Robo. Please subscribe to my channel for awesome AI-related content.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding the process, just write the comment, I will be there for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.